What? There's something delicious, like a rotund apple.
What does that mean?
Something cute. What? There's something that I need to say.
Someone should write a song about that.
It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Sale. For sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. Your nails. Get the sale. Your nails. 2023, we are launching it live with a sale January. God, you're gonna love this one. Watch me. Watch me. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Sale starting January right now. Check it out. All professional kits are 30% off. The Professional Acrylic Ultimate Kit, 30% off. Professional Acrylic Core Kit, 30% off. Professional Speed Acrylic Kit, 30% off. Dude, Professional Gel Kit, 30% off. You're gonna love this one.
I love it.
All nail liquids, 30% off. And you know, we gotta combine that with something else. Let's see. Powders. All acrylic powders. All acrylic powders. All of our acrylic powders are 30% off.
Dude, you're super overdramatic.
Well, what the heck? Let's do another one. Stain resistant top coat. Buy one, get one free. Bam, sons and daughters. Greg's signature brush, 50% off. My God, do my nails, this brush, 50% off, bro. Yeah.
Dude, you're super overdramatic.
A 4-piece manicure set, Valentines inspired, 20 bucks. Does that scare you? 2-piece custom glitter mixes. Custom glitter mixes. 10 buckaroonies, bruh. Oh, I love this one. We've got a 4-piece cream clay kit. Valentine's inspired. 20 bucks. We also have a Valentine's nail art kit. Check this out. 2 cream clays, 2 striper gels, and hearts glitter. Oh my God, $25. We've got an art brush deal. The micro detailer and the striping brush. $10.95, bro. Whoa. Yeah! And we've got a cuticle oil combo pack. 1 ounce citrus oil, 1 ounce rose oil, $10.95. Do not forget, we've got blowouts. Remember, blowouts go quick. So you wanna make sure you get there fast to pick them up. This sale starts Sunday, January 22nd, 6 p.m. Pacific. Goes all the way to January 26th, 11:59 p.m. Don't forget, it's time for sale. It's time for sale. Sale. For sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get that sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. It's time for sale. Get the sale. It's time for sale. Your nails. Get the sale. Your nails.